Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to get stickers in Line Messenger. I wonder why you want to know how to get stickers in Line Messenger. Maybe you are a person who prefer using stickers because you think it is easy or fun. You just want to send stickers to your friends or colleagues. Or maybe you think it saves a lot of time while you have to type. So with the help of sticker, you can say whatever you want to say and it takes less time. Or it could be any other reason for you to choose stickers. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Line Messenger, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. So just simply tap on the icon of the Line Messenger to open the app. Once the Line app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all over the screen, at the top, at the middle, and at the bottom. So from all these options, what we have to do here is that we have this section in front of our eyes. So here we have this first option, which is stickers. You could also see that it also has a smiley icon with it. So if you want to download more stickers, you have to tap onto this option. This option will take us to another platform through where we can easily download stickers. So here we have just opened into the stickers shop, and here we have a variety of stickers available. Some of them are paid, so you have to purchase them, and some of them are free. You can get access to them for free. So at the top, you could search for it. For example, if you want to search for something like birthday or anything, so in the search bar, you can type for it like birthday or whatever comes to your mind. You can search for it, and then you will get stickers according to it. Other than that, we have some categories. You can see them there. We have new, recommended, and free different stuff. So here I'll show you how you can download any one of these. If you want to purchase, you can purchase it, but you can also get free stickers. So here you can see we have a lot of free stickers, and if you want to download any one of these, if you like it, you can read its title, and after that you just have to tap on it, and once it get open, you will see the whole collection which is included in that sticker pack. And if you like that, if you think that it is useful for you, you can download it by just tapping on this option. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while, and after that it will get downloaded. And now you just have to get back to a chat, and there you can easily send stickers. So here, as we have got back, now we are going into chats and then opening a chat, and there in the text section you have to click on smiley, and there you just have to look for the stickers that we have selected. They will be here. You just have to look for it, and once you find the stickers, you can use them, you can send them, and can do whatever you want to do with that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get access to the stickers in Line Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.